May I leave here for 1 week. This house is your responsibility. Pick me up 6:30 tomorrow morning. Make sure you keep a check on the security company. And Mr. Mullins will be in touch with you.
Alright.
Whisper, you realize that vehicle there, I follow it little after we leave out?
No, so me that break.
You're running, but you can't run from yourself. Lily girl, what do you mean you can't deal with Shepherd today? Be careful of what you say. I'm hearing you.
I never that me didn't want to say no, sir, but every minute when you come up here, something happened to me.
Lily girl, things will happen to you when you put yourself in the position for things to happen to you. Learn in life to keep your ears to yourself, or else you just might end up deaf.
Alright, sir. Bubbles not there here, you know?
Me know. But I didn't tell you that I come to Bubbles. I come to who I want to come to, which is you.
Me, sir? I want to do now.
It's not what you do, it's what you're going to do.
What am I going to do?
Now, Tonya, I must let you know that I spoke to Bubbles, telling her that she's going on a journey. It is going to be a very dangerous journey, but it's a journey of purpose. And you will play an integral role in that journey. You will have to learn to assist, and you're going to assist Bubbles in a way where no other person can assist her.
That's spooky. You didn't buy them the coats.
checking in at my location.